Hello friends, in this video I will teach you more about arranging slides in a presentation. Arranging slides is a very important skill in your journey to master PowerPoint. I will explain different tools and techniques for arranging slides in a PowerPoint presentation. Before starting, like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this section, we will learn two methods to add a new slide to your presentation. Number 1. Adding a new slide through sorter panel. Number 2. Adding a new slide through ribbon command. Adding a new slide through sorter panel. Here, I open the 7 Habits presentation. Let's see it by running slideshow. Have you noticed that I have so far included 5 slides containing first 5 habits? Now I suppose I want to add a new slide in this presentation. First, right-click anywhere in the sorter panel. A pop-up menu will appear. You select New Slide option like this. You will see that a new slide has appeared right after the last slide in the slide regarding Habit 6. Have you noticed that the template of slide 5 is copied in the slide 6? Automatically you can change it if you want. If you want to add a new slide, after any particular slide, say after slide 2, then select slide 2. Then right click the mouse while mouse is positioned at slide 2 and then select new slide. A new slide will appear right after slide 2. Adding a new slide through ribbon command. The second method for adding new slides is to select New Slide in the Home tab of the ribbon. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Blank Layout. I have discussed layouts in detail in my previous video. Once new slide appears, you can populate the data regarding the 7 habits as I have done here for your understanding. Now let's take some quizzes. Question 1. For adding new slide, we right click the mouse in sorter panel and select New Slide from the pop-up menu. The new slide appears as the last slide. True or false? If your answer is true, then you are correct. New slide appears as the last slide of presentation. Question number 2. For adding new slide, we can click New Slide in the Insert tab of ribbon, then select our required layout. True or false? If your answer is false, then you are correct. New Slide option is available in Home tab of ribbon, not in Insert tab. In this section, we will learn 3 things about deleting a slide in a presentation. Number 1. Deleting a single slide. Number 2. Deleting multiple slides. Number 3. Deleting random slides. Deleting a single slide. I open the 7 Habits presentation again. Suppose here is the slide that I had added, which is no more required. To delete this slide, right click the slide and then select the delete slide. The slide will be removed from the slide sorter. Suppose you have deleted a slide by mistake. You can make it appear again by undoing the delete action, either by pressing Ctrl Z shortcut key or undo button in the top taskbar. Deleting multiple slides. I open the 7 habits presentation again. Suppose here are the 2 slides that I had added, which are no more required. To delete these slides, first click on the top slide, then press Shift key and press down arrow key. You will notice that now 2 slides have been selected. Now right click the mouse while the mouse location is on any of the highlighted slides. Then click delete slide. You will see that both slides have been deleted from the presentation. It is important to keep the mouse on any of the selected slides before pressing right click. If the mouse location is not on any of the selected slides, and if you right click it, then a different pop-up menu will appear, which cannot have the option of delete slide. You can also select both slides by first clicking the bottom slide, then pressing Shift up arrow key on the keyboard like this. Deleting random slides. I open the 7 habits presentation again. Suppose you want to delete 2 slides, slide 2 and slide 4, which are no more required. Then click slide 2, then press Ctrl key on your keyboard and click slide 4. Now right click the mouse while its location is on any of the highlighted slides. And then click delete slide. You will see that both slides have been deleted. It is important to keep the mouse on any of the selected slides before pressing right click to avoid any error. You can select any number of random slides by pressing Ctrl and required slides like this. Now let's take some quizzes. Question 1. You can delete any slide in a presentation by right clicking that slide and selecting new slide from the pop-up menu. True or false? If your answer is false, then you are correct. For deleting any slide, you have to click delete slide from the pop-up menu. Question 2. For selecting slides in a series, you select the top slide and press the following command. A. Shift down arrow. B. Control down arrow. C. Shift up arrow. D. Control up arrow. If your answer is A, then you are correct. As it was mentioned in the question that top slide is selected, then in this case you have to press Shift down arrow to select the remaining slides. Question 3. For selecting slides randomly, you select the first slide and press Ctrl next slide. True or false? If your answer is true, then you are correct. You can select any number of random slides by pressing Ctrl required slides. See you in the next video with more information. Bye bye.